So we're gonna do a wash and go style on Dominique. She just recently got this fabulous haircut. We know that wavy hair, curly hair, kinky hair textures grow out of our hair dry. So then when we put things in it like color, it could aid in it being a little bit drier if we don't take care of it. So it's really important to hydrate the hair and condition the hair as often as you can, like every day. Water alone can dry your hair out, but water with conditioner is luscious and your hair loves it. Hydrate, 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 hydrate. Don't rush this part. It's so important. We are really saturating her hair with a no-sud cleanser. No-sud cleansers are really, really important for color-treated hair. It helps to keep the hair soft, so it helps the color to last much longer than using something with suds. Anything with suds will make that color a little brassy. Okay, onto the conditioner. Remember, really detangle that hair really well. Soften it up with the conditioner. Bring that natural curl out. Super quick. And for her hair, we're just gonna start out with this much. Styling product will only hold what you give it, so don't give it frizz to hold, give it curls to hold. Just smoothing the product all the way through. The shorter part of the hair, I've been seeing a lot of people use this tool called a sponge to create these curls. They make a really nice curl. The only danger in using something like that is it is a sponge, and if you use something like that to create coils, it can definitely aid in breaking this fragile hair. So just use your hands. Once you have that product all the way through the hair, it's pretty saturated with product. You want to shake it out to loosen up those curls. And for someone with a short haircut, or depending on what your hair style is, when you're doing a curly style, remember this is a set. So if you want your hair to fall in your face, when you shake it out, let the hair fall towards your face while you're drying. If you want it off your face to the side, make sure that it's drying off your face to the side, because it's really hard to try to change the way the hair is going after you've set it to do a certain thing. Remember, this is a set. Because I want a little bit more lift to her hair, I'm gonna put a little bit of heat to the root and stretch her hair up with the blow dryer.